I'm going to do the 2N1 them.
Oh, okay.
What is it?
Put the pan on this now?
Not yet. Let's try this up.
Which one you want? Oh, this?
This
right?
Yeah, I'll do this one.
Chris, have video?
Yes, make a short video so send me a video. Yes.
Oh, dear man. Let's go him barbecue.
Alright, where am I put something in that?
Pepper? Alright. Alright, sir. I'll put some pepper in it. What is this? Scotch bonnet. Look. Jamaican Scotch bonnet. Oh.
Yeah, I saw the things there.
I saw the thing.
You saw we are vake? Come on. You saw we are vake? This is how we do it. Right? We go all out and we go cool and I saw the thing set. Man around the kitchen. See the lady there and I take it and I take it. And we there around the kitchen.
Alright. Pepper ready?
Alright. So here we are going now. You see them sausage? Yeah. And some big sausage them. You get me? So we get some smoke sauce thing and we get ketchup and we get catch by the yo, the thing I got shot.
Don't go shot.
Other than shot, it I got hot. So all of the eaters them,
Yeah,
make sure so you see me put the me bust it. So first we grill them thing as in and then we mix up with sauce and we slice it and put in there and we're gonna put we're gonna turn it on at a low temperature so the thing go and simmer.
Simmer.
You see me? Simmer.
Simmer.
Right? I mean I base it right now, right?
Alright, sir.
Right, I would like base it at low temperature and make the thing stay there for about 5 minutes. Right? And then we're going to eat. You see me? Here, one review more. And then the true review.
And the true review.
And so the true review is that the thing shot.
That is shot. Hot. No, it's hot.
So wait there, what we are going to drink right now?
Iced tea.
Iced tea.
Alright, so we have some
So iced tea, the thing are going. Right?
And we're doing English now, so we are drinking tea.
No.
Wow.
Don't say the thing is up to ask you.
Oh, the internet.
Internet? Password? Password?
You want me?
No rest there, we don't make a difference.
Because you don't know how far I may reach after putting in a group. You see just
That's smart, boy. So that's why you have to turn it down low.
Temperature night?
Oh, okay. So when we get them, we can actually